Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into the AI employment login. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section over here, type down AI employment login and click enter. And after you click on the enter from the search results, you need to click the first option over here. And after that, you'll get into an interface like this. What you have to do is scroll a bit down and you'll get this option in order to sign in. And if you have not registered or enrolled an account in here, you can click on these three options. As I'm going with my sign in option, sign in with the GCE. You can also sign in with your bank or your province as well. And after clicking in this option, and you'll get to require a username and a password in order to sign in. So simply type down your username and your password and click on the sign in, and then you'll be successfully logged into your AI employment. But if you have forgotten your username or your password, then you can still recover it by clicking on these two options. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.